We're gonna walk you through how to turn your generator on and turn power on to your house in case of a hurricane or storm or emergency. All right. So first thing we're gonna do is, if a storm do happen and your power off, what you want to do is you want to turn off the main breaker. That's what we do. Turn the main breaker off. We're gonna turn off the other 220s. This here, all the 220 amp breakers, 240 volt breakers. Like we got them all off. And we're gonna come back once we get the generator turned on. We're gonna come back and turn the 30 amp on right here. This is feeding the generator. So let's come with me outside. The plug is in first. That way you don't have voltage, live voltage coming through the wire. But this right here is kind of exposed, okay? We're gonna plug this in last, alright? We're gonna plug this out right here in first. Alright, now that we got the generator plugged in, what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this 30 amp on, and this 30 amp will feed this panel right here. We turn it on, and now he got all the light stuff back on. TV gonna turn back on. Alright? Just like that. Cool? Alright, y'all. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I'm representing Peaks Electrical LLC. Thank you so much. Have a good day.